In today's digital era, Apple Pay is transforming online money transfers with instant, secure remittance services. But when issues arise, understanding the customer support of Apple Pay Remittance Online is crucial. Apple provides a seamless support ecosystem, accessible via the Apple Support app, official website, and dedicated hotline, making it easy for users to resolve problems efficiently. Apple Pay customer support is available 24/7, offering multilingual assistance to accommodate global users. Through live chat, email, and phone, users can address transaction failures, payment delays, and account verification queries quickly. So, Apple's AI-powered support tool, it can actually identify the root cause of remittance issues and suggest immediate solutions. This really helps reduce wait time, quite significantly. There are 5 remarkable features that enhance the Apple Pay remittance support experience. Firstly, real-time transaction tracking allows users to monitor their funds during international transfers, which is super helpful. Secondly, smart troubleshooting guides adapt to user behavior and transaction history, offering really precise fixes for any issues that pop up. Thirdly, integrated banking support ensures coordination with linked financial institutions to resolve fund disputes. It's all about making sure that any issues with your transactions are handled smoothly and efficiently. Fourthly, the priority escalation system guarantees urgent cases receive immediate attention. This means that if something really needs to be addressed quickly, it's going to be put on the fast track. Lastly, Apple Pay's encrypted support portal ensures all user data and transaction details remain private and secure. It's like having a digital vault for your most sensitive information. In addition to technical assistance, Apple Pay provides educational resources for users who might be unfamiliar with online remittance. There are step-by-step guides, video tutorials, and FAQs available on the Apple Support website, all designed to empower customers to navigate remittance processes with confidence. So, this proactive support actually reduces dependency on direct assistance, while at the same time it improves user satisfaction. For businesses leveraging Apple Pay for cross-border payments, specialized support takes care of bulk transfers, regulatory compliance, and currency conversion queries. This makes sure that corporate remittance operations are streamlined and honestly, pretty risk-free. Users also benefit from push notifications for every support update, so they're kept informed at each stage. Efficient customer support of Apple Pay Remittance Online ensures that transactions remain smooth, secure, and timely. It's a reflection of Apple's commitment to enhancing the digital payment experience.